Childhood is a wonderful time. You probably remember the bright toys with which you developed your imagination and did not part with for years. And probably somewhere in the house there's a box full of your favorite toys, and inside that box there must be some Lego bricks somewhere. With Lego bricks you can breathe new life into your home. A magnet from Lego. Fridge magnets are usually what we bring back from our travels, but what if you can make them yourself? Add a small magnet to the back of these Lego bricks to create magnets, and now your reminder notes, family photos and children's drawings are decorated with bright coloured Legos. Very cool wire holder. You can make a cord holder from that very Lego figure that survived your little one's games, especially since you don't even have to do anything. Just stick the tiny figure to the edge of the table and hand it the cords. The diameter of the hands of the Lego figures are ideally suited to the diameter of most cables. Small removable parts such as the lens cap of your camera are most often lost. You can minimize the risks by supergluing one Lego piece to the front of the lens cap and another to the camera strap. You can securely fasten them together and no lost pieces anymore. If a counter made of stone, marble and chipboard doesn't speak to your creative soul, then how about a kitchen island made of Lego? From a combination of Lego bricks that are not just fixed to each other but firmly glued, a counter of any size can be created. It is very original and will add a breath of fresh air to your interior design. Subscribe to the channel and find out as much information as possible about how to use improvised tools for various purposes. What other useful properties of ordinary household items would you like to know about? Let us know in the comment section below.